In this video, we're going to be looking at laws of logarithms, but we're going to focus mostly on the fourth law for today. Right, so the first law is this one, which says log A plus log B equal log AB. AB, you get AB by saying A times B. Okay, then moving on to the second one, log A minus log B equal to log A over B. Right, then the third one, log A to the power B is equal to log, the power will come back before log, so it will be B log A. Right, and then the fourth one that we'll look at today is log A to the power, this one does not have a power, actually it has a base, it's the right. So this one, as long as we have the same value here and there, our answer is going to be 1. Right, so as I say that today we're going to concentrate on law number 4. Right, so maybe let's just quickly look at a few examples. Right, law 4. Right, example 1. Right, in example 1, let's look at this one. Log, maybe we have a 3 there, and this side we have 81. Right, so the question can say solve log 381. Right, or simplify log 381, and it can come either way. Right, so if you are solving log 381, here what you're supposed to do, remember what I said there when I was talking about this law. I said that we have the same values there and there. Right, so that's the same thing that is going to happen this side. And since we have a base, since our base here is 3, and we want to express this 81 in terms of 3. Right, so if we recall from powers and indices, we know that 81 is the same as what? 81 is the same as, so we are going to rewrite our expression as, it's going to become log 3. Then 81 is the same as 3 to the power 4. Right, so here our answer will become, remember law 3 there. Remember law 3. So we want to apply law 3 over here. Okay, right. So this is what we're going to do. Since we want to apply law 3 over here, we are going to bring down this 4 such that this 4 will come down here, such that now it comes before the what? The logarithmic sign. So our answer will be 4 right. So our answer is going to be 4 log 3. Right, so what do you notice? We have same values down here and up here. So since we have the same values, those values automatically will become a what? A 1. Log 3 is equal to 1. So 4 times 1 is what? It's 4. That bracket is indicating that we are multiplying. Right, so we have simplified this, the first example. we've simplified, we've solved this first example. So in short, we're saying that log 381 is the same as what? Is the same as 4. Let's go on to example 2. Want to solve example 2? Example 2. Right. In example 2, maybe let's look at a different. We're still focusing on law 4. This one maybe we have a different base. Maybe let's use 2. Yeah, maybe have log 2 32. Log 2 32. Right. So with this one, the key with these questions is you have to make sure that this number here would come and appear right here where we have a what? A 32. Right. So since we want to do that, this is what we want to do. We want to make sure that the number that I indicated there, which is our 2, is going to what? Is going to appear there. So 32 is the same as what? 2 to the power 5. Because if 2 multiplies itself 5 times, you get what? 32. So our answer will be equal to log 2 to the power 5. Right? Okay. Then, what's the next stage? The next stage is which law? Law number 3. This one that I indicated earlier. Whereby we're going to bring down the power. We're going to bring down the power. The power will come before the logarithmic sign. Okay, right. Then, so our answer will become 5 log 2. Right. What does log 2 remind you of? It reminds us of what? Yes, it reminds us of law number 4. This law. It reminds us of law number 4. So we say that if we have the same number there and below, what will happen? Our answer is what? Is 1. Even if you have a calculator right now, just punch in your calculator and see. No matter how big the number or no matter how small the number, you still get a 1. Right. So let's go back to our question. Right. So our answer will become 5. Then what is log 2? Log 2 is what? It's 1. So what is 5 times 1? 5 times 1 is 5. Yes. So we've simplified our expression. We've simplified our expression. Right. Maybe I want you to try this one. Try this one. Example 3. I want you to try example 3, which says simplify log 4 16. Yeah, maybe let's have 16 there. Yeah, think about it. Try to solve it in a few seconds or in a minute actually. Right. Let's check if you got it correct. So log 416, remember what I said up there. I said the key is what? Is 4. Every time you get a question, there's always a key, there's always a tip, there's always something that will lead you to the answer. So in this case, this 4. So I want to express this 4 in terms of what? This 16 in terms of 4. Is that one clear? Yes. Want to express that 16 in terms of 4. So since we want to express that 16 in terms of 4, How are we going to do that? Right, so this is how we'll do it. Equal log 4, what is 16? It's 4 to the power 2. Well done if you got it correct, because 4 times 4 is what? 16. Right, then the next step, what is it? Let's go up there. Law number 3. Right, so law number 3, what is it saying? We are going to bring our 2 down here. The moment our 2 is down here, then we move on to the next stage. So it's going to become 2 log 4 4. Log 4 4 will become a what? A 1. So 2 times 1. Remember, low number 4, this one, because we have the same value here and the same value here. So what is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. Right, this is the end of the video. Please, if you have any questions and if you have any comments, just share them so that we learn together. Probably you have another method that you want to share, please feel free.